Hi everyone, welcome back to J&B Bites, your go-to spot for allergy-friendly recipes everyone can enjoy. Today we're making a viral recipe that my boys have been begging me to try, Quinoa Chocolate Cups. I've modified this recipe a bit to suit our family's dietary needs, so I'm excited to share how it turned out. Here's what you'll need: puffed quinoa, hulled tahini butter, Sweet William chocolate buttons, or your favourite dairy-free allergy-friendly chocolate, and a pinch of salt, which is completely optional. I've seen this recipe popping up everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, so I had to give it a go. Will this viral quinoa cup live up to the hype? Let's find out together. Now that we have everything ready, let's start baking. Start by measuring out all of your ingredients, as this mix needs to be combined quickly. Gently combine the puffed quinoa and tahini, taking your time to ensure each grain is thoroughly coated. This process may require a moment of patience as you work the ingredients together, aiming for a uniform and even distribution before moving on to the next step. Once it's all combined, then melt the chocolate in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring between each session until smooth and fully melted, because no one wants to burn their chocolate. Pour the melted chocolate over the quinoa mixture and fold gently to coat every puff evenly. Once this is completed, spoon or use a cupcake scoop to fill mini-lined cupcake trays. Overfill them. Then press down firmly with the back of a spoon to flatten the surface. I found this really helped the cups set nicely and keep their shape once you've removed them from the patty pan. Place the tray in the fridge or freezer for an hour or two, or overnight for best results. The entire family really enjoyed these little treats. They were a little softer than the rice bubble cups we've made before, but the tahini added a lovely, surprising twist, a roasted, nutty flavour that brought a completely new sensory experience. When someone you love has an eating disorder, sensory disorder, oral aversion, allergies, or intolerances, trying something new can feel overwhelming, scary, and confronting. The infinite space of the unknown. I'm so proud of anyone who is able to work through the anxiety and stress of the unknown, and even just try a bite. There are two young people who inspire my children on their journey every day: Hannah from My Afrid Life and Torrin Wolf. Their brave journeys have also inspired me personally, providing me with knowledge, understanding, and a different perspective to help my children and family approach trying new foods with greater openness and compassion. We had a 50-50 split on the salt being added. Some loved it, and some simply preferred it without it. So salt is an optional extra when you grab this sweet treat. I highly recommend these and will definitely be making them again. We're excited to try different types of butters next time to mix up the flavour while keeping it allergy-friendly for our household. The only other feedback was, maybe I could have added more chocolate. It wouldn't have hurt. Thanks for joining me on J&B Bites today. If you try this recipe, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell to never miss our twice monthly allergy-friendly recipes. Happy snacking!